In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up all your Gmail emails. It's a simple process using Google's own tool called Google Takeout. This is particularly handy if you want to secure a copy of all your emails or transfer them to another service. Let's dive into how you can get this done. First, you'll want to start by accessing Google Takeout. Begin by opening your Gmail account and clicking on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. From there, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Look for the Data and Privacy section in the left-hand menu and click on that. Here, you'll see an option within the Download or Delete Your Data section. You'll want to click on Download Your Data to take you to Google Takeout. Next, you'll be on the Google Takeout page. To avoid selecting every piece of data associated with your Google account, click Deselect All, which lets you choose only the data you want. Scroll through the list until you find Mail and check the box next to it. If you want to pick specific email labels or categories, click on the Mail button and customize your selection. Make sure Include All Messages is checked if you want a complete backup, then click OK to confirm your choices. Once you're satisfied, click on Next Step to continue. You'll then customize how your exported file will be created. First, choose your preferred delivery method. This could be a download link sent straight to your email, or you can opt to save it to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box, depending on what suits you best. Then, decide on the frequency of the export. You can opt for a one-time export or choose to have it scheduled regularly. After that, you'll need to pick a file type, either .zip, which is more common, or .tgz if that's your preference. Finally, set a maximum file size for the export. If your data exceeds this size, Google will split it into multiple files. Now it's time to create the export. Click on Create Export to get the process started. You'll notice an Export in Progress status. Depending on how much data you have, this could take a while, from minutes to potentially hours. Google will send you an email notification when your export is ready to download. Finally, once you receive the email, click on the download link provided. For security reasons, you'll have to enter your password to initiate the download. After the download is completed, extract the zip file to a designated folder on your computer. Inside, you'll find a mail folder containing all your messages and a handy HTML file for browsing through them. And there you have it, a straightforward way to back up all your Gmail emails using Google Takeout. This ensures that you have a secure copy of your communications, easily accessible whenever you need them.